guys, John here for Ham4Ham. I just wanted to go over something I found on originally when I was looking at the NEC software. I'm going to be doing a test evolve here, basically from a three-wire dipole fed from the center, and I'm going to put into the program. I did this with variables originally, and I'm just going to set those up, and I'm going to show you something I found, and I'm not sure where the issue comes from, but basically I have X, Y's, and Z's for all of the coordinates of the three wires, and I'm just going to put those in here. Once I have these in, because of the settings, I have to make sure nothing goes below the ground point. And now that I have it set up here, I'm going to start the evolution of this antenna. And what I've found is, although it seems to work on the first pass of about 10 or 20 evolutions of playing with the variables, eventually what happens is it gets stuck. And I'm not sure why this issue happens, but here we go. I'm going to start it off, and you can see now it's playing with all the X, Y's, and Z's, and looking at the possible different designs here, and you can see how it's bending and folding the antenna, and it's randomly doing different things to find what works best. And I've asked it to find the best SWR, and then secondly the best gain. And as we go through here, it'll do about 100 iterations of the different numbers. And it's playing and playing, just trying a bunch of different combinations. And now you start to see already what happens here. BX, BY, and BZ start to get stuck at 10. And once this happens, there's no possible way for it to ever find the best combination, because you would think the best combination here, of course, is going to be something that ends up like a dipole, maybe a little bit different from that, but certainly it should be able to get the a good SWR and maybe potentially some gain here. And you can see the SWRs in the upper left there. They're still very high, 90 to the 15. That's you might as well have a coat hanger or a noodle or something like that. But anyway, now you can see in the third iteration here, it's now stuck at -10. And, well, almost, except for that last one there. But because it's not playing with any of those variables, of course it's going to be rather impossible to change anything with the antenna here. So just thought I'd share this, and I'll go on to my next video. Is I'm looking at doing this project and changing a lot of things. Now this doesn't just happen with the -10, or it could be anything. It'll get stuck at 0, and then of course it can't evolve the design once it gets stuck with something. So alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.